and today I'd like to go through the project directions for the project you're going to be working on the next couple days called Integer Calendar Project. So, to show what you know in a different way with your integer operations, now that we've learned all of them, you're going to create your own calendar. And you're going to pick 1 month from 2020. It could be a month we've already been through or one that's coming up. You can pick any month you want or this month, and you're going to create integer expressions for each date. So you're going to include at least 5 addition, 5 subtraction, 5 multiplication, and 5 division problems. For all the other dates, you can choose what you have. At least 10 problems need to include negative numbers or negative integers. Okay, you could have more, but at least 10 have to have negative integers. Decorate and label the calendar appropriately. And then I'd like you to include a label for at least one birthday of someone you know. It could be yourself, too, if you pick your birthday month. At least one celebrity, and major holidays. If there are other days you want to include, you're welcome to do that, but those are the minimum requirements. I've included a template for you, so you can just type right into that and decorate it as is. You don't have to create your own calendar. This is going to be an assignment worth 50 points. As of now, this is due Tuesday. That could change, so please make sure you're checking Canvas and your email regularly. So we're going to be working on this for the next 2 days in class. So here's the template for you. So you're going to change the month to whatever month of 2020. I've already set up all the days of the week. I've provided enough space for all the days of the month. And then you can go ahead and change the background, add pictures, decorate it. But start with the math first. Get that done because that's where you're going to get most of your points. Okay. On this last slide, I have included a rubric for you so you know how you're going to be graded in the breakdown. So for all the different types of problems, it's going to be 20 points. Making sure you have a problem for every day is worth 10 points. Having at least 10 problems that include negative integers will be 10 points. Decorating and labeling your calendar appropriately will be worth 5 points. And then including all of the different birthdays and major holidays will be another 5 points. And that's a total of 50 points for the project. Okay. So now I'd like to show you a sample so you can kind of see what the expectation is. So I chose the month of March because that's when my birthday is. So I changed the background to green because of St. Patrick's Day. I changed the font, something I like to use. I colored this in orange. That's my favorite color. So I just did a couple of dates just so you kind of got an idea of what it would look like. However, your calendar needs to be fully filled in for every day of the month that you choose. So I found out, learned something new. Steph Curry's birthday is March 14th. So notice in the corner, I've typed the problem, but I did not type the answer. You don't see the number 14, and I don't want you to type the actual date. The corner should have your math expression. So if you do 12 minus -2, that would get you 14, which is the 14th, Steph Curry's birthday. I decided to include a picture. You can if you want, don't have to. Just make sure it's appropriate. A holiday I included was St. Patrick's Day, -10 plus 27, so there's an addition problem, okay? Put a little emoji, big fan, emojipedia.org. Can get almost any emoji you'd want to include. 75 divided by 3, that is the 25th, which is my husband's birthday. So you can see I have 1 subtraction, I have 1 addition, 1 division, and then a multiplication, which is my birthday, the 30th of March. And you can see that in at least 3 of them, I've used negatives. Now, once again, you need to have at least 10, but just some different ways you can think about incorporating. You cannot copy the examples I've already done. You can use them as a guide, but you cannot copy them in your own calendar, okay? Just make sure when you finish, you hit submit, and you're going to submit it through Thursday, the 8th assignment, okay? So each day, the assignment's going to tell you to come back to this, so you're going to hit the blue button and submit through the 8th. So if you have any questions, please reach out. I'm happy to meet with you one-on-one. We could schedule a Google Meet. Whatever you need to help get this finished. Once again, this is due Tuesday as of now. That could change depending on how the work is going in class, and I will let you know, okay? So I look forward to seeing what you come up with, and I will chat with you soon.